Welcome to my project presentation to Digital Birth and Death Certificate Management System. Traditional system, citizens have to visit government offices multiple times for registration, document verification and certificate collection. This process is time consuming, involves excessive paperwork and often causes delay. So to solve these problems, we developed an online platform where the system improves transparency, reduces manual, and provides faster public services. This project is developed using the MERN Stack. For the front end, we used React.js, which provides a responsive and user-friendly interface using reusable components. The backend is developed using Node.js and Express.js. Admin credentials here, and we need to click on the sign in. So this is the admin dashboard. Here you can see the citizens, hospitals, officers, birth, death, approved, pending, rejected, and you can see the application status, distribution, monthly registrations, and you can see the recent activity logs, means login, user login successfully, and the time also you can see here. The total information you can see in the activity logs. Now we need to go to the hospitals and we need to add the hospital. Enter the email and give the password and give the hospital name and give the code, hospital code, and enter the address and district and the license number. Save hospital. You can see here the hospital has been saved. Now we need to go to the municipal officer and add the officer. Give the password. Click on the employee ID. I'm giving as 1. Designation I'm giving as officer. I'm giving as officer and I'm giving as HNK. I'm giving district as also HNK. State I'm giving here, you can see here, and I'm giving office address and I'm also given the mobile number. Save officer. Here we need to assign the hospital for the municipal officer. I'm assigning, you can see here the 7 Hills drop down which we have created in the hospital. Save, and we need to log out and we need to go to the we need to log in as the hospital. We need to go to the hospital dashboard. Enter. You can see here we need to go to the birth registration and we need to give the child details. We need to give the date of the birth and we need to give the time, and we need to give the hospital ward. We need to give the baby's mother name and father name and also the doctor name, and we need to give the record number, and we need to upload the medical report of that. Submit birth record to municipality. So here the birth record is submitted to the municipal officer for verification. So we need to log in as the municipal officer and we need to verify that. So here we need to go to the hospital record and we need to, you can see here the status is pending. So we need to give that status as approved. We need to click here OK and approve record. You can see here this is approved. Now we need to log in as a citizen because we need to see that baby details, okay, and we need to complete the baby's information also. We need to give the father mother Aadhaar, so that's we need to. I'm giving the email address. Okay. sign in. Okay, first we need to register. I'm giving the full name and I'm giving the email ID. I'm giving the password. I'm confirming that password and date of birth and gender selection and mobile number and also Aadhaar number and the address information. Create account. Now the citizen account is created. We need to log in as a citizen and we need to complete the procedure. You can see here we need to go to the birth registration. Here we need to select the child name. You can see that verified by municipal officer. We need to select this and we need to give the Aadhaars of father and mother. Mobile number also we need to give. And we need to select the delivery type. I'm giving a cesarean. Submit final application. Your birth certificate or birth application has been submitted to the municipal officer. So again log out from this and log in as the municipal officer. Sign in and go to the birth applications. Here you need to view that and click on the OK. Approve. You can see the pop-up application approved. You can view also action. Now back to the dashboard. Again back to the dashboard. Log in as the citizen now because we need to see the baby's certificate, right? So log in. Here go to the certificates. You can see that. And also you can download this. You can see here I'm downloading this. Now I'll show you about the death registrations. So log out from this and log in as the hospital staff or hospital management. Here we need to go to the death registration, gender and age in years, birth date and time of death and wardroom number and medical cause. I'm giving heart attack and father name, mother name, doctor name and medical record number, and we need to upload the document here, death certificate document, and submit death record. Now we need to log in as the municipal officer. So we need to log out from this and I'm logging as the municipal officer because municipal officer only the one who verifies the document which we have given from the hospital management. Here go to the hospital records. Here go to the death and you can see the status is pending. So review on this, click on type OK and approve the record. You can see that status is approved. Now we need to log in as a citizen for the death registrations also. So back to dashboard. I'm registering as the citizen now because whose death, who have been died, they need to fill their details by the citizen only. So I'm giving the password and I'm confirming the password. We need to give the date of birth of that citizen. Here select gender, female, and mobile number and Aadhaar of that citizen. Here flat number, street and area and municipality located, which municipality it is located, and create account. Here we need to go to the dashboard of citizen. You can see here, and you can go to the death registration and search the name which we have given. Here you can see, you can see here verified by the municipal officer. Select and give the important name or informant name. I'm giving as, give the name of the informant name and mobile number and address, postal address, and submit final application. You can see here your death application has been submitted. Again we need to log in as the municipal officer, because municipal officer is the one to approve the certificate now of the death. Go to the death applications. Here you can view the action. You can click here, give the OK, approve. You can see the pop-up, application approved. You need to click on the OK and back to the dashboard. Log in as the citizen, because we need to the certificate, right? Death certificate, right? Go to the certificates. Here you can see death certificates. You can see here preview. You can see Government of India, and also you can download this. You can see this death certificate, and also here you can see the notifications also, death registration update. You can also change the or edit the profile of the citizen dashboard, or current password to new password, or confirm password. So log out from this. So this is about our project. So if you want to watch more videos, please subscribe our channel and you can watch more videos of this